Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to register your demo account in FeedMe. Thank you.
Okay, first go to your browser, then search portal.feedme.cc. Just click enter. Click on create account. Then fill in your phone number and just click get OTP. Then fill in the OTP. Key in on it. Enter your name. Click done. Just click login. Key in your business name. So key in your agent code, which is FM014D. After that, just click let's get started. Then after that, click on create restaurant and click new restaurant. So just fill in all your details and the legal name, registration name, contact email, address, your operation hours, branding, and your link and the photo. After that, just click save. Then you also can click here and key in your menu. For the menu, you can refer to my another tutorial video. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari post system, cari aseng.
Find Guinness Post, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找post system, 找 Aseng.